we'll be applying our first coat of finish. To finish my project, I'm going to be using a fast-drying polyurethane. Now I've chosen to go with a clear semi-gloss. Now we're going to be putting 2 coats of polyurethane on. For our first coat, I'm just going to be using a foam brush. I'm going to get quite a bit of polyurethane on that, and I'm just going to brush that on. I want to have a pretty thick coat for this first one. Now, once you've polyurethaned the first coat, you want to position that in a way that it's touching as little as possible so that it can dry without sticking to anything else, and so there isn't any marks in it as it dries.